belly Dancer Diaries. If you're new, check it out, subscribe so you can be notified of when new videos are released. So today we've got a fun technique tutorial. It's our walking hip circle. Now there's a lot of different walking hip circles in belly dancing. There's our ones where we're coming around to the side, there's ones where we're coming up to the side, there's ones where we're stepping forward and back as we do our circle. This one is similar to the forward and back, but we're using even more hips. If you follow my Instagram, I did do a choreography with this move in it quite a few months ago. I'll link that below as well so you can check out how you might mix it with other moves. But if you would like to learn a new fun hip circle move, then please keep watching. So the move we're doing is like this. Let's take out the arms to begin. So what we're doing is we're stepping forward with one side and then bringing our hip to the front. So as I step forward, I'm bringing my hip with me towards the front. I then step my feet together, bringing both feet together, pushing my hips back, and then coming back to the other side, hip stays to the front and back in. So it's almost like, I think about it at least, as my hips being with a magnet towards the front or towards the wall, whichever way I'm going. So if I'm doing it to the front, imagine your hips sticking towards the front, towards the camera. So I'm sticking out, sticking out, sticking out, and coming back in. So your hips are the first thing to reach that point and also the last thing to finish. So if you're doing it from the side, I'll show you this way so you can see, coming out to the side, back, out to the side, and back in. So when you're doing this move, it's really important to be noticing where your feet are stepping. So as I step out, I'm not taking a big step. It looks like I'm taking a big step just because I'm adding my hips into it, but actually you can see it's about hip width, a little bit more than hip width, that's it. I know a lot of people when they first try and do this move, they're taking massive steps all the way back, and then it gets very confusing, and also it's quite a lot of pressure on your back. So number one thing to remember is to keep those steps nice and small. Energy is in your hips. So as we come across, stepping out, coming back in, out and in. Okay, let's do it up to speed so that you can see what it looks like. So to the front, I'm coming around and around the other way. Okay, now watching to the side, around and other way. So I hope you like this move. As I said, you can watch the choreography below to see how I've incorporated this with other moves. Let me know what you'd like to do for hands with this one as well. I'm always open to ideas about arm movements. Keeping it out nice and straight, keeping it up, one hand, one hand. Let me know what you think. And as always, happy dancing.